Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off your passcode in your iPhone. So this is the simple method. So this is from official website of Apple, support.apple.com. This is the iPhone user guide. So this is the iOS 18. So here in this website, you can see there is how you can set a passcode, how you can set or change the passcode. Change when iPhone automatically locks, erase data, and this is how you can turn off the passcode. So you can go to the settings, then on iPhone with Face ID you can tap Face ID and passcode. On an iPhone with home button, tap Touch ID and passcode. Next, just simply tap Turn Passcode Off. So here we go. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.